Finally, asiboneke ukuthi i-stem and leaf diagram into ekanjani. Okay, siyazi isihlahla vele sine-stem sibe nama-branches nama-leaves. Nalana le amakhilomitha a-taxi driver lapha wethu sengikubekele wona-ke in ascending order, ngisikala ngo-182 sikhuphuka siyofika ku-253 kilometers. Right, mangenza i-stem and leaf-ke ngeke ngiyibhale zonke ley'namba ziyi-20 la, yabo. Yiko ngithe it reduces i-amount of space needed to represent organized data. Izosiredusa kanjani? Labo 108 ababili ngizobafaka nje under 18 instead of ukuthi ngibhale ngophuma ku-20. Ngibhala abo-180, abo-109, abo-200, abo-210, abo-220, 230, 240, 250. Ngapha kuma-leaves aphephezela sengizofaka nje le namba lapha ekugcineni. Asibonele la 182 bhala u-2 la, 188 bhala u-8 la, 191 bhala u-1 la, 193 bhala u-3 la, 194 bhala u-4 la, 196 bhala u-6 la, 198 bhala u-8 lapha. Sesikubo-20 manje. 205 bhala u-5 no-5 no-7 sekuphelele. Sesikubo-more than 210, 215 bhala u-5, 222, 222 kuno-223 kuno-225 bawu-2 kuno-227 oyi-1 sesiyabo-230 manje, 236 siyabo-240 no-42 no-45 25 sekubo-250, 253 bhala u-3 la. Hhayi-ke mawuthanda ungayikhawunta ukuthi yisasiwu-20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sisenkanjeyana-ke i-stem and leaf diagram. Iphela lana-ke kwa-grade 8 i-data handling. Next time sesizawukhuluma-ke nge-probability. Siqedile nge-statistics. Siya-probability next time. Have a good day.